Welcome to Z4, let's understand calendar management. In your dashboard, tap on the calendar icon. Now tap on the calendar. The calendar page will appear. Here, you can see team employee details, such as the total teammates. You can also see total logins for a single day. Total employees on leave for a single day. Scroll down to explore more in the calendar. Tap on this icon, left arrow, to see the previous month's data. Tap to see the latest or the next month's data in the calendar. This will help you check leave requests and regularization requests. Tap on the question mark icon to see the guide. You can view leave requests for a single month. Tap on leave request to manage leave. The leave request form will open. Tap on reject to reject the leave request and send a notification to the employees. Tap on approve to approve the leave request. The leave has been approved successfully. Tap on this icon to see all leave requests. Scroll down to see more details. Tap here to navigate to other pages. The interface of the selected page will open. Tap on leave to see the details. Here, the leave request form will open, where you can check the applied dates, leave type, notes or reason, and the approval or rejection status. To approve or reject leave request, tap on the pending leave request. Here, a form will open showing pending leave requests. You can view details, type a comment if needed, for example, XYZ. Tap reject to reject the leave request. Tap approve to approve the leave request. You will see a message, leave approved successfully. To apply a filter, first select your desired criteria, then tap apply filter to see the results based on your selection. Tap filter to access the filter settings and choose the criteria you want to apply. Select the department from the list to filter. Select the shift from the list to filter. Select the employment type from the list to filter. Select the mode of work from the list to filter. Select the from date to set the start date for filtering the data. Select to date to set the end date. Tap reset to clear all selected filters and start fresh. Tap apply to apply the selected filter and view the filtered results. The filter has been applied and the results are now displayed based on your selected criteria. You can view the total approved leaves to see how many leave requests have been approved. You can view the total rejected leave and total pending leaves. You can view regularization requests for a single month to check all attendance adjustments within that period. Tap on a request to view its details and take necessary actions. Select the day type. You can choose multiple options for the day type, full day, first half, or second half, to filter the request as needed. You can view the clock in and clock out times to check the exact attendance hours for each employees. Tap reject to reject the regularization request. Tap approve to approve the regularization request. Tap view more to see additional details or requests that are not currently visible on the screen. You can view celebrations for a single month. To view data for a single day, select a date to view all data and details corresponding to that specific day. You can view all leave requests submitted for the selected date. You can view all regularization requests submitted for the selected date. You can view all celebrations for the selected date. This completes the overview. Thank you.